Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily add effects to videos on CapCut. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. I'm on my iPhone. You can follow the exact same steps if you're on an Android. So first of all, open up the CapCut application, and once you're on this page you'll have to tab on new project, and I will select random videos as to show you that how you can easily add effects to videos. Now if you want to add effect to any of these videos at any point, you'll make sure that you for example, I want to add an effect from this point. I'll tap on effects, then tap on video effects, and then choose any one of these effects like this one, and then tap on tick that at the bottom right. Now you can select the length of this effect like this. You can drag it to the length that you want. You can also adjust it. You can change its speed, intensity, glow and range by variating these dots, and you can also duplicate this effect. And so I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and